Hello friends, welcome you all on CS Academy by Ketki channel. From today onwards, we are going to learn what is a microcontroller, and this one is the first lecture of microcontroller, and microcontroller is a chapter, third chapter of computer science 2. So from this lecture we are going to discuss some basics of microcontroller, what is microcontroller and introduction of microcontroller. Okay, so I already posted the videos of computer networks, microprocessor, and all the first computer science first chapter, that is HTML, data structure, operating systems, and C++. And if you have more videos, so please comment on the videos and uh, topic that you want. Okay, and if you have answers of your exercise questions, please post your exercise question on the Telegram discussion group. I will provide, or I will make the special videos on that questions. Okay, so if you have any query, let me know in the comment section. If you like my teaching, please give your feedback on the comment section. Okay, so let's start our today's lecture. Lecture number first, lecture number 1, introduction to the microcontroller. So first of all, please subscribe CS Academy channel and hit the bell icon, share with your friends and join Telegram group. Okay, the all videos are totally free guys, so please support CS Academy by Ketki channel, and if you like my teaching, please hit the like button. Let's start. So microcontroller is a very much important topic from computer science too, and the questions, many more questions may be asked in your exams, and this chapter have a probable marks of 11. So 11, the total marks of this chapter is 11. So this one is a very much important. 11 marks are not a small thing, it is a very big. So learn this chapter, and so that you will get the 11 marks. Okay, so the chapter weightage is 11. The question may be asked like this: what is the microcontroller, and explain in short. What is what is a microcontroller and explain in short. So in this lecture we are this is an introductory video of microcontroller. So we will discuss what is microcontroller, uh, how it is important, and what are the advantages of microcontroller. So let's start. First point is microcontroller is a complete microprocessor system. Microcontroller is a complete microprocessor system consisting of microprocessor, limited amount of ROM or EPROM, RAM, input output ports, that is IP ports, built on a single integrated circuit. So means, what is a microcontroller? I explain you basic concept. So this one is a integrated circuit. What is the integrated circuit? This one is the integrated circuit. So on this circuit there are so many things are integrated, collected. So first is a RAM, input output ports, limited amount of ROM, EPROM, and there are so many other things are also available. So collectively this circuit is called as a microcontroller. Okay, so collectively these all are called as a microcontroller. So microcontroller is a integrated circuit of microprocessor, limited amount of ROM, EPROM, RAM, input output ports, built on a single integrated circuit. So this one is a single integrated circuit. So this one is a single integrated circuit which includes the RAM, ROM, EPROM, input output ports are all included into the single circuit, and that single integrated circuits all called as a microcontroller. So microcontroller is a collectively called collection of these all things. Okay, so microcontroller is a complete microprocessor system which included the microprocessor and all other stuffs like limited amount of ROM, EPROM. EPROM is a type of ROM. There are there are many types of 3 to 4 types of ROMs are available. So EPROM, EEPROM, erasable ROM, permanent ROM. So these are the types of ROMs which are already included in this single circuit. So microcontroller is a complete microprocessor systems having this all stuffs, okay, and this is a single integrated circuit. So this one is a very much important. Microcontroller is a single integrated circuit which includes all these stuffs, okay. Next point, microcontroller is in fact microcomputer. Microcontroller is nothing but a microcomputer. Microcontroller is nothing but a microcomputer, but it is called as a microcontroller because it used to perform a control function. Microcontroller is nothing but a microcomputer. Is nothing but a microcomputer. But why the microcomputer is called as a microcontroller? Why microcomputer is called as a microcontroller? So because microcontroller is used to perform the microcontroller is used to perform the control function. So microcontroller is nothing but a microcomputer, but microcomputer is called as a microcontroller because it performs the control function. So microcontroller is used to perform the control functions into the microcomputer. So microcomputer is called as a microcontroller. Okay, microcontroller used to perform a control function. Next, the designer of microcontroller identify all the needs to build a simple microprocessor systems. Means the person who designed the microcontroller have an idea what are the requirements are needs to build a simple microprocessor systems. What are the requirements to build a simple microprocessor system? So microcontroller is nothing but a simple microprocessor system. So designer of microcontroller identify all the needs, what are the requirements, what are the needs to build a simple microprocessor system, and put as many as possible into the single integrated circuit. So designer know that what are the requirements to build a microprocessor system, and it integrate all those requirement into the single integrated circuit, and that single integrated circuit is nothing but a microcontroller. And microcontroller is used to control the function, and microcontroller is used to perform a control function, so that microcomputer is called as the microcontroller. Okay, next, for example, a microcontroller must includes all full or nearly full implementation of standard microprocessor. So microcontroller in microcontroller have microprocessor full or nearly full implementation of standard microprocessor. Microcontroller includes full implementation of standard microprocessor, ROM, EPROM, RAM, parallel input output ports, time, a clock serial ports. So these alls are included into the microcontroller. So microcontroller includes the implementation full or nearly full implementation of standard microprocessor, ROM, EPROM. As I already told you that these all are integrated into the single circuit. So microcontroller have the implementation of all these RAM, parallel input output ports, clocks, and standard microprocessor, ROM, EPROM, all these stuffs. Okay, next, microcontroller is more complex than microprocessor because it consists of many input output components. So there are two things, microprocessor and microcontroller. So microcontroller is a more complex than microprocessor. Microprocessor does not have any input output components. So microprocessor have ALU and all other stuffs are included into the microprocessor. But in microcontroller, all the things which are already present in the microprocessor, that are present into the microcontroller, but additionally the input output components are also present in the microprocessor. So that input output components makes the microcontroller more complex than the microprocessor. Okay, understood? So microcontroller is more complex than microprocessor because the input output components are present in microcontroller, not in the microprocessor. So that input output components make microcontroller more complex. Okay, so there are some examples of microcontroller: Intel 8048 and 8051. These are the examples of microcontroller. Okay, next one. These are some basic introductory points of microcontroller. Now we will discuss some advantages of microcontroller over the microprocessor based systems. First, the cost of microcontroller is less than the microprocessor based systems. So microcontroller is a less costly. The cost of microcontroller is less than the microprocessor based systems. Next, microcontroller has more input output component than microprocessor based systems. We discussed already in the previous slide. So microcontroller have more input output components than microprocessor, so microcontroller is a more complex. Microcontroller can be used in wide variety of intelligence products such as personal computer keyboards. Microprocessor based systems cannot be used in such intelligent products. So microcontroller is used in the intelligent products such as a keyboard, personal computer keyboards. So in our computers, in our PCs, we use the microcontroller. Intelligent products are also use microcontroller, but microprocessor based systems are not used in the intelligent product. So this one is a very much important, and this is a very important advantages of microcontroller over the microprocessor. Many low cost products such as electronic toys, electric drills, microwave oven, VCRs are based on the microcontroller. So microcontroller is not used only in the computers. Microcontrollers are also used in the electronic toys such as electric drills, microwave ovens, VCRs are also based on the microcontrollers. So microcontroller is used in wide variety of intelligence products. So not used only in the computers, they are used in other products also. So this is not in case of the microprocessor. The microprocessor is not used in the wide variety of intelligence products, not used in the electronic toys, electric drills, microwave oven, VCRs, not used microprocessor in this. So microcontroller is used in intelligent based products, not microprocessor. So these are some advantages of microcontroller over the microprocessor based system. Please note down these points. And if you have any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you like my teaching, please do comment on video. Please provide your feedbacks. And if you have any query, any doubt, let me know in the comment section or post your query on the discussion group on Telegram. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. We will catch you in next video.